Hi there. For this video, we are tasked to find the perimeter of this figure, provided that its area is 160 centimeter square. So to solve this, since we know that this figure is composed of 10 identical squares, then we know that the area of each of these squares is simply 160 centimeters squared. I'll not put it anymore. Over 10, which is equal to 16 centimeters squared. So that is the area of each of these squares. Now from here, take note that the formula for the area of a square is right here. Area of a square. Its formula is given by s squared, wherein s represents one side of the square. So given that 16 centimeters square, this implies that the side of one of these squares is given by 16 is equal to s squared. Getting the square root of both sides, this would lead to s is equal to positive negative 4. But since we're dealing with positive values only here, since this out here represents a length, then we only take the positive 4. So we know that one side of the square is equal to 4. Now from here, a good question arises. Would we even need the formula for the perimeter of a square, since we are tasked to find the perimeter? Well, actually, we don't really need to know the formula anymore, since by definition, perimeter represents to the length of the cover of the figure. It's like that. And since we know that one side is equal to 4, then we can simply just put that out in this figure. So we'll have 4 out here, 4 here, out here, and then we continue the process on this side. So let's write 4, 4, 4, 4, and last side right there. And from here, we can now easily obtain the perimeter of this figure by simply adding every 4's out here until the whole. So we do that. So the perimeter of this figure is given by 4 plus 4 up until another 4. And to know the number of 4's that we will add, we have 4 times, let's count, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. So we have 22 4's. And so this results into 18. And the unit is centimeters from the given. And that is actually our answer for this problem. So the key here is observing first that the area of a square is given by s squared. And from here, since these are identical squares, we know that the area of each of the squares is simply 160 centimeters squared over 10. And from that, we can get the value of one of its side and further get the perimeter of the whole figure. And so that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Feel free to comment down below any comments, suggestions, recommendations that you have for the next videos. So that's it, and that is all for this video.